What is up YouTube? It's now been a little over a week since I last made my video on how I plan to learn how to code, and I did make some progress which I'll update you about. So the language I chose was Python, and I plan to learn how to code through Coursera and Udemy courses because I'm not taking any CS class in university until next quarter, and by the time I finish like all the important concepts, I'll be done with sophomore year. So the first Coursera course that I selected was Programming with Everyone, Getting Started with Python by the University of Michigan. And here it says I spent over 19 hours doing so. However, I think in reality I spent closer to 10 to 12 hours, and the rest of the hours I probably just had the tab open. Now, I did say I would spend a little over an hour learning how to code, but I think I spent a little less than that because of midterms. But I did finish the course, which was one of my other goals. So the actual content or the videos in this course are pretty short and concise. Like I can't say it's better than other courses because I haven't taken that many courses, but the other introduction computer science course that I did take, the intro seemed very long and dragged out. So by the time you actually got to like programming, I kind of lost interest. But with this course, it went like directly into learning how to code, which I thought was pretty helpful. So now I'm going to be talking about what I actually learned in the course. So some of the things that I learned were the different types of variables, the multiple assignment of variables, expressions and reserved words, how we could take user input, conditional statements, and loops. Now everything was pretty straightforward to understand except for loops because I felt like the videos were too short and the concept was kind of hard to grasp. So I did have to use some other resources outside of this course on YouTube to actually figure out how to use loops. And applying it was actually really tough. Like one of the tasks they gave was trying to find the maximum and minimum number with multiple inputs. And we had to use loops to essentially solve it, and that took me a very long time to solve. And this is the one thing that I like about this course: you actually apply what you learn. Like other YouTube tutorials that I followed, it was just like me copying exactly what they did, so I wasn't able to apply it to different problems. But for this, I am able to apply my understanding to different problems and finding solutions. So now what am I going to do to learn Python? So I'm actually taking a course on Udemy called Python for Beginners from Zero to Hero, and this has close to 24 hours worth of content and maybe like 3-4 hours worth of tasks, so it'll take like 27 to 28 hours to finish. So I think this will take me 5 to 6 weeks if I do spend an hour on it every single day, and I'll try to update you guys on my progress every single week. If you did enjoy the video, please do leave a like and subscribe. Also comment down below what videos you'd like to see, and thank you for watching.